Hello there, everyone. I am Marcel Escaton, and this topic is the continuation of OMPAD's report.
So first, to our employees, we are committed to provide our employees a stable work environment with equal opportunity for learning and personal growth. Creativity and innovation are encouraged for infra- improving the effectiveness of Southwest Airlines. Above all, employees will be provided the same concern, respect, and caring attitude within the organization that they are expected to share externally with every Southwest customer. So this statement shows how a company values its employee by creating a supportive and fair work environment. It emphasizes giving equal opportunities for learning, growth, and development so employees can improve their skills and succeed in their roles. The company also encourage creativity and innovation to improve its efficiency and effectiveness. Most importantly, employees are treated with respect, care, and concern within the organization, which reflects the same attitude they are expected to show to customers outside the company. Example, kung ang usa ka bag-ong employee gustong makat-on og bag-ong ticketing system, so ang company mohatag sila og training ug support to help them succeed. Kung ang usa ka empleyado adunay idea kung saon para mapaspas sa boarding passes, ang iyahang idea dawaton og posible nga ipatuman aron mapauswag ang customer service. At the same time, all employees are treated with respect and care, creating a positive work environment and encourage collaboration and growth. So, ang next is developing a service strategy. So, taas mo siya din kung sahod. So, is the process of planning how hospitality organization will deliver its service effectively. It involves analyzing both internal factors like staff skills, resources, and operation, and sa external factors like market trends, competition, and customers' needs, while keeping in mind the organization's mission and visions. Ang strategy kay nag-guide kung giun sa pagdesisyon ang service product, environment o delivery system aron matubag ang panginahanglan sa target market o mapakita kung unsa ang mga gipag-expect sa customers by understanding the market and asking customers directly what they want. The organization can turn its strategy into pra- practical, effective actions. So, example, a restaurant may conduct survey to find out whether customer prefer quick service, more menu option, or a cozy dining environment. Based on the results, the restaurant might hire additional staff, expand the menu, and redesign the dining area to make it more comfortable. These steps turn the restaurant service strategy into real actions. So that sa- so that satisfy customers' expectations. So mao na ang developing a service strategy. So ang next kay asking customers what they want. So dinan ko ni pasahon dito na ko. So is to help organization understand what really matters to them. It allows businesses to identify the main factors that make customers satisfied and loyal, such as quality service and fast response. So, for example, the Walt Disney Company uses guest feedback to enhance attractions, customer service, and overall park experience, ensuring visitors have memorable and enjoyable moments. So, other example is ang usa ka hotel himong mga sa mga bisita na mopuno og feedback form after the stay. Kung daghang mga bisita ang miingon nga dugay ang ilahang check-in, the hotel can improve sa pagdugang og staff sa front desk o paggamit sa mga paspas na digital check-in system. Pinaagi sa pagpaminaw sa mga customers, the hotel improve satisfactions and encourage guests to return. Muna siya nga dapat mo-ask gyud ta sa mga feedback sa ato ang mga customers. So next is the excellent service strategy. Barry explained that excellent service is built on four key components: a strong commitment to quality, delivering superior value, and aligning the entire organization around service excellence. In addition, a great service strategy motivates employees by giving them opportunity to grow, take responsibility, and feel genuine achievement in their work. So, an excellent service strategy is necessary for components. First is ang strong commitment to quality. A relentless organizational focuses on meeting and exceeding service standard. Next is ang delivering superior value, ensuring the benefits provided to the customer significantly outweigh the cost. So ang next is aligning the entire organization, creating a unified culture where every department and employee is synchronized toward service excellence. And ang last is employee motivation, empowering staff by providing opportunities for growth, responsibility, and genuine achievements. So example, ang usa ka restaurant nagamit ani nga strategy pinaagi sa pag-train sila ang mga staff nga mahimong buotan, paspas ug attentive sa mga customers. Gitudloan nila ilang tanang staff nga importante ang customer satisfaction o magtinabangay sila aron mapadayon ang taas nga kalidad sa serbisyo. So gihatagan sila og katungod sa pagsulbad sa problema sa customer sama sa paghatag og libre nga dessert kung naay dili sa serbisyo. Like kanang masayop sad sila og hatag sa mga orders. So tungod ani malipay ang ilahang mga customers og magbalik-balik sa ilahang mga restaurant. So ikan sa ilahang kanang strategy. Additionally, this strategy motivates employees by giving them opportunity to grow, take responsibility, and feel the sense of achievement in their work. So, ang next is operating strategy, service product, environment, and delivery system. So, din lang ako siya basan kita as. So, ang service product, kay this refers to the core and supplementary service offered to the customers. So, ang next is environment. This includes the physical surroundings, ambience, and layout where the service take place. Examples include the seatings, cleanliness, lighting, and layout of the airplane cabin or airport lounge. So next is delivery system. This is the how of the service, the processes, technology, and people or employee that provide the service. It encompasses the workflows from booking and check-in to in-flight service, ensuring consistency and efficiency in delivering the promised experience. So, for example, sa low-cost airline, a low-cost airline aligns its strategy by focusing on budget-conscious customers. So, sa product ani is no frills, single-class settings, and charging extra for meals. Then, sa environment is used for secondary airports to reduce costs and often a standardized high density cabin layout. Then, sa delivery system is high frequency, quick 25 to 30-minute turnarounds and heavy reliance on online booking and self-service, reducing human interaction to save costs. So, ang next is action plans. At this stage, the organization can develop action plans because it has a clear understanding of its target customers, offerings, markets, and strategic directions. So having action plans is important because they turn strategies into concrete steps that can be followed, ensuring goals are actually achieved. They provide clear guidance on how does, what, and when, help coordinate efforts across the organization, allow progress to be measured, and make it easier to identify and fix problems along the way. Without action plans, even the best strategy might fail because there's no clear path to implement them. So, tanan na agi action plans like sa hotel, restaurant, or resort kay para ma-ensure gyud nga ang atong goals ana kay ma-achieve kay importante gyud ang action plans kay para ready ta permi ug dili ta kara-kara. So, ang next is involving employees in planning. So, tanan ko ni siya basahan kita. So, example, a company launching a new service asks frontline employees for feedback on customer preferences and possible issues. Employees suggest change in workflow that makes the service faster and more enjoyable. By listening to employees, the company not only improve customer satisfaction but also boost staff engagement. So it's important to involve employees in planning because they bring variable insight for their daily work, which helps create more practical and effective strategy. Their participation encourage creativity, ownership, and responsibility, improves problem solving, and boosts morale. Involving employees is also helps ensure that plans are implemented successfully and that the organization can respond better to challenges. So, importante gyud nga ma-involve sad ang employee sa planning kay naa na sila mga lain insight or lain-laing idea nga pwede nato magamit or pwede nato makuha or pwede nato igamit sa atong business para mas more nga kanang improve or makuan ang atoang business.